Soyez le bienvenu, mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinas with Lourdes. Another course civic, formation civic po tayo for today. Okay, pour les démarches administratives. Why? Pourquoi we need to know the démarches administratives? Il faut savoir effectuer ces démarches administratives. What does it mean? We need to know how to complete our administration procedure. Okay, especially this one for those people who have their kids here in France. Okay, me, I didn't have the opportunity to have a child for my husband. French. Okay. So, question. Où doit être déclarée une naissance? Où is where must a birth be declared? If you have a kid, where will you declare a kid? Your son or your kids, your son or daughter, okay? À la mairie du lieu de naissance, that is, at the town hall of the place of birth. B, dans n'importe quelle école, okay? Any other school, okay? C, à la banque, at the bank. You can declare it at the bank. And D, uniquement en préfecture, only at the prefecture. Okay, what do you think is the answer, please? Where must a birth be declared? Tan, tanan. Of course, la bonne réponse est lettre A. À la mairie de lieu de naissance. At the town hall of the place of birth. Of course, town hall po natin dyan, no? So, justification. La déclaration de naissance permet d'établir l'acte de naissance indispensable pour l'identité, l'école et certains droits sociaux. Explication, okay? Explanation natin yan. The birth declaration establishes the birth certificate, which is very important, which is essential for identity documents. For where do we need our identity? For schools, where we're going to school, and some social rights also, and also for the documents, for papers, titre de séjour. Okay, so everywhere. For passport. So, acte de naissance, yan, that is our, acte de naissance is our birth certificate. Okay? So that is birth certificate is very important. And we need to declare à la mairie, okay, town hall of the place where he or she was born. Okay? I hope it's clear. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, at mag-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde. Ciao, ciao.